Hello and welcome back to our new video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Today let us learn how to unblock an Instagram account. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process. To begin with, go to your Instagram application. On the bottom right corner, you can see the profile picture. Tap on it and it takes you to your profile. Now on the top right corner, there is a menu icon. Tap on it and go to settings and then privacy. On the privacy, scroll down a bit and you can see blocked accounts. Tap on it. Now you can see the list of accounts that you have blocked. To unblock the account, simply find the account and tap on unblock button. Let us know if you face any problems on the comments section below, and if it helped you, please let us know by hitting the like button. Also, subscribe the channel for more videos.